Okay, now what if I don't want you to do graphing, I just want to make sure you understand how to translate them. I'm going to do the same thing like we did on the last lesson with reflections. Show me your work. Make sure that I got the vectors in them, make sure you have the information you need to see, but if you show me the notation and stuff, would be good. Now the top one is using directional vectors, which is great. I'm just not really into navigation with that, but that's an actual practical use. We're going to come down here and just do the arrow notation. So if I don't ask you to graph, you have to show me the arrow notation. Now our vector is at -2, 0. So you should be able to look at that and say, okay, my mapping is xy is at x -2, y stays the same because it's +0. So I go, g is at 8, 2, so g prime is going to be at 6, 2. I take away 2 from my x. We have h is at -4, 5, so h prime is going to be at -6, 5. And then if we're doing this one, I'm going to give us a little bit more room at 3, -1. Then I prime is going to end up being at 1, -1. Okay, now we'll do the same idea for the next one, where our vector is at -4, 5. So my notation, my arrow mappings here, xy is going to be at x -4, y +5. So we plug them in. We got s is at 0, -7. So s prime is going to be at -4, 2. Because I subtract 4 from my x and I'm going to add 5. Whoops, shouldn't that be -2? Catch my math there? Did you guys all see my bad error? You should be used to it by now with me as your teacher. So we get -4, 4, and then we get t prime is going to be at -4 minus 4, so it's being -8. We got 4 plus 5, which is going to be 9. And then we have u at -5, 2, so u prime is going to be at -9, 7. And then we got v, which is at 8, 1, is with v prime, which is 4, 6. So hopefully that will help you guys with your homework. Show your arrow notation, and you guys will do a great job.